Hey all, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the latest Windows 11 update, 24H2 update, which was announced recently by Microsoft. I want to go through the new updates available in the Windows 11 and to understand how can we enable this into your Windows 11 fleet by using Intune. Okay, I saw this update page called the Inside This Update, which was available, I think, yesterday. So it looks like there are a bunch of features available or enhancements available with the new update. So let's see some of them. Some Copilot plus PC exclusive features, Wi-Fi 7 support, which is really good, finally available for the devices. More streamlined file explorer, which is good. Some smart power management for the devices. Also Wi-Fi networks, connect to Wi-Fi networks with the QR code, which is good, finally available. That's wonderful. Some remote desktop feature enablements, text size ensuring readability across range of visual needs, which is good, so more accessibility options. Some feature available for lock screen, and some settings available, system tray enhancements, settings. Some settings are not really for work or school devices, I would say, because they are Xbox related and personal account or MSA account related. But overall, this is a really good update because there are lots of enhancements that have been done, and lots of security enhancements have been done as well. BitLocker enhancements, Rust in the Windows kernel, more robust programming language designed to enhance system security and performance, SHA 3 support finally, more LSA or local security authority protection enablement on upgrade, SMB protocol changes, which is good, labs updates. Yeah, so lots of security related updates, which I really like and which is really good for the whole security posture of Windows 11. So the next step is how to get it onto your Windows 11 fleet via Intune. So let's check how to do it now. So if you go to devices in your Windows Intune portal, and then if you go to Windows updates and feature updates, and let's just try to create a new update. And as you can see, it's now available already, which is good. And that's it. So you can add your devices, add your device groups, and you can just enable the feature update by using Intune into your standard Windows 11 devices. I hope this video was useful. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So until the next